In this video, we'll show you how to retain support for Manifest version 2 extensions in Google Chrome. As Google Chrome transitions to Manifest v3, support for Manifest v2 based extensions is gradually being phased out. This means you might notice some of your favorite extensions being disabled or unavailable. However, there's good news. For now, Google still allows Manifest v2 extensions to function through a special group policy until June 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable it. One method is to use the registry editor or group policy editor to create a new DWORD entry and set its value to 2. Search, then open the registry editor. Navigate to this key. Create a new DWORD entry and set its value to 2. After applying this change, simply restart Chrome and the policy will take effect. Once applied, you'll be able to install and use Manifest v2 extensions just like before. If you don't want to modify the registry or configure group policy, you can use Google Developer Tools to bring back the Add to Chrome button for Manifest v2 extensions. Right-click on the Grayed Out button, then select Inspect option. By enabling this setting, the button becomes available, allowing you to install extensions as usual. Alternatively, you can manually install extensions using Developer Mode on the Extensions page within Chrome. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.